In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gemini in Google Workspace. If your organization allows it, turning off Google Workspace smart features is the quickest way to hide most AI-powered UI elements, including many Gemini-related prompts you see in Gmail and other apps. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Gmail. When the results load, click the official Gmail link from Google. Make sure you're on the genuine Google site before you proceed. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your work account that's part of Google Workspace. You may be asked to complete two-step verification. Go ahead and finish that so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Gmail, look to the top right and click the gear-shaped settings icon. A quick settings panel will open, but for what we need today, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where we want to be. Now scroll down the general page until you find the section labeled Google Workspace Smart Features. This area controls whether various intelligent features across your account are active. Next, click Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. This takes you to the dedicated controls for these features. In this screen, find the option for smart features in Google Workspace and turn it off. Depending on your interface, that may look like unchecking a box or toggling a switch to the off position. Disabling this setting helps hide or remove most AI-driven suggestions and prompts in Gmail and related workspace apps for your account. When you're done, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save. That's important. Your changes won't apply unless you save. After saving, give Gmail a moment to refresh. You may notice that AI suggestions, prompts, or assistive panels are reduced or gone. If you don't see a difference immediately, try refreshing the page. A few quick notes. This setting affects your individual account experience. It doesn't change anything for your colleagues. If the option is missing or grayed out, your administrator may control it centrally. In that case, you'll need to reach out to your admin to request changes. Turning off smart features doesn't delete your emails or files. It simply disables the intelligent enhancements that surface within Workspace. And if you ever want them back, repeat these steps and switch the setting on again, then save. That's it. You've successfully used Gmail's settings to disable Google Workspace smart features and reduce Gemini's presence across your Workspace apps.